Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome back to my channel Shine with Pranoti. So guys, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Pranoti. I post videos on skincare, hair care and makeup. So if you're a person who have interest in this kind of topics, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel because that means a lot to me. So in today's video, we are going to create a blue eye makeup look, which is very easy to do. And now if you follow me from a long time, you might have observed whatever looks that I create are really easy and it's not like too dramatic and you can easily pull it off. So if you give it a try, you can do it and it's gonna look amazing. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. When you start doing anything, you need to make sure that your base is perfect, and for that skincare always comes first, and for that you need to moisturize your face. And for today I'm using this Venusia by Dr. Reddy. This is a moisturizer for all skin types and for daily use. So I have been using this from like how many years? I don't really remember, but ever since 2011 to 12 I've started using this and I completely love it. So I'm gonna take a little bit and put it all over my face and just give it a 2 minutes of massage so that this moisturizer is completely absorbed into my skin. And today for my foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. It's one of my favorite foundations because like to work with this foundation is like really easy. It gets blended so smoothly and that's why it's my favorite. So I'm going to take a little bit of product and put it all on my face in a dot, and then I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. So when it comes to blending makeup, you need to always make sure that you're not dragging the product. You're just giving it a dab moment so that the finish comes like really good and your makeup doesn't look cakey. Never forget your neck, because if you put foundation only on your face and your ear is not covered, then it looks different. So always make sure ears and neck both are covered. Now moving on to the concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade 15 Fair. Usually you need to use concealer one shade lighter. So I'm using this shade and I'm going to put it a little bit on my under eyes. And I'm going to blend it with the same beauty blender that I used for my foundation. And I'm going to drag a little bit of product on my eyes as well so that I get a base for my eye makeup. So today for contouring, actually I'm not going to use a powder contour. I want to try a cream contouring, but I don't have a cream contour right now, so that's why I'm using a brown lipstick, and this is a creamy lipstick by L18 in the shade 14. So I'm going to try this out and I hope it turns out too good. Not going too much intense with this. And also I'm gonna use it on my nose. It might look too much, but once we start blending it, it's gonna be all okay. So now I'm gonna blend it with the beauty blender. Blend it very smoothly or else the contouring will look harsh. Can you see that effect? Really nice. And it's time to blend the nose. Yeah, we are done with the and now I'm gonna set my face to make it matte, and for that I'm using loose powder by Swiss Beauty. Now let's move on with the eyebrows, and for that again I'm using this Swiss Beauty product eyebrow and gel eyeliner, and I'm gonna use this eyebrow powder and fill in the sparse areas that I have on my eyebrows and try to make it a little bit broader so that the eyebrows look fuller and beautiful. Can you see how difference it makes instantly? And I'm gonna fill the other one as well. Eyebrows actually make a lot of difference to your face. Now you can completely relate to me whenever we do eyebrows from parlor, and when we come home, uh, your face actually glows. I feel like that. I'm not sure if you feel the same. If you feel the same, do let me know in the comment section. But I really feel as a new person when I do my eyebrows, really. So now we're done with the eyebrows, and when it comes to eye makeup, we are going to keep it simple but beautiful. So first, today I'm going to use eyeliner. I'm going to give it a small wing, and then I'm going to use the eyeshadow. And for that I'm using this eyeliner. I feel very comfortable working with pen eyeliners than the gel eyeliners. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just pull a small wing, and then I'm going to connect it to my eyes. So now when you want to draw a wing, this is a very easy trick that you can try. Your lower lash line, right, you just need to extend a little bit from there, like to the length you want your wing to be. So I'm gonna use it and make a small wing like this. I hope you can see it. Can you see that? That's it. Now from the center of this wing, I'm going to connect it to my inner eyelash and then make an eyeliner. Can you see that? So we are done with the wing. Now I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty palette. I'm going to use this blue color, and over my eyeliner I'm going to draw a fine line of blue color so that it looks really beautiful but very simple to do. For that I'm going to use this fine brush. It is like really a small brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of a blue shade, and I'm going to draw a line over my eyeliner. Let me start from inner. I hope you can see the color. You can mess up sometimes, but you need to have patience. So now it's completely your choice. If you want to take it till the end, you can do that, or if you want to keep it only on the center areas, that will also look good. So I'm pretty much happy with this much of blue shade on the upper eyeliner, but I'm gonna keep it simple, so I'm gonna keep it this much only. And now if you want, then you can do your eyeliner again. If you feel that, you know, eyeliner, the shade of eyeliner is getting a bit lower, so you can use it again, but for me, I'm pretty much okay with this. And now we'll do the same thing on the lower eyelash. First, I'll curl my eyelash. And I'm going to use a mascara. This is by Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And now for my lower line, I'm going to use this Kajal by NYB. This is one of my favorite Kajal because it is very intense black, which I completely love. I'm going to go a bit darker. Now we are done with the kajal. Now I'm going to use the same blue shade on my lower line as well. So if you want to make this bold, you can go a bit bolder, or if you want to keep it very thin line, you can do that as well. And here we are done with the eyeliner and the eye makeup. And now moving on to the blush, I'm going to use this blush by Oriflame. And I'm not going to go too much with a blush because I don't want that kind of more pinkish look. So I'm going to go very light with the blush. Now, since you all know I'm a huge highlighter fan, so I'm gonna go a little bit more with the highlighter, and for that I'm using this Instant Glow Shimmer Brick, and I'm gonna use this shade to highlight the high points of my face. I'm also going to highlight the bridge of my nose. And for my lips, I'm going to use a nude lipstick by Maybelline in the shade 657. And to set the makeup, I'm going to use this fixer by Swiss Beauty. Now we are done with the makeup and I'll be back.
always belong. Oh, oh, you will always be there. Oh, oh, always belong. Oh, oh, you will always be there. Oh, oh.